Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are Instagram user and Instagram says couldn't refresh feed on your iPhone and iPad after before iOS update, then do the following steps to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings and make sure that we are connected to the internet and internet connection is stable and strong. After that, we are going to tap on General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. And also tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on Updates and check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we are going to move to some other solutions. We are going back to settings and General on iPhone storage. Here we are going to find and tap on Instagram and tap and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, go back to App Store and re-download the Instagram application. If this method is not working, then finally what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the Instagram and tap on remove app and tap on delete app. After deleting the app, wait for few seconds, then go back to App Store and re-download the Instagram app and you will get back your Instagram. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.